Hello class, today we'll be going over the going to future, its form, its usage, and its application going forward in these lessons. We form the going to future by combining a subject, a form of to be, going to, and the infinitive. I am going to see a play tonight. If we want to make it a negative statement, then it would become I am not going to see the play tonight. The only difference is just placing not in front of a going to. A couple of examples are I am going to see a play tonight. An example of an affirmative statement. It's late, so I don't think he's going to do his work tonight. Look at those clouds, it's going to rain soon. We're not going to see my mother this summer. My favorite team is going to play tomorrow evening. He's going to tell his boss he's resigning today. And then another example of a negative one. I'm afraid they're not going to read the whole report. Okay. The way you form questions using going to is by placing one of the question words who, what, when, where, why, how in front of to be, the subject, going to, and the infinitive. This would become who am I going to speak to tonight, for example. Who is going to read the next paragraph? Are you going to speak at the conference? Are you going to speak at the conference? Is he going to cry again today? What is she going to cook for dinner? Are they going to sleep all day? When are we going to eat lunch? I think it's getting clear. Um, the uses of the going to future, so when we use it, it's usually when we have a planned in action. You're planning on going to bed quite early tonight. You're planning on going to a party tomorrow. You're planning on having a beer with your friends on Friday evening. Um, you can also make predictions though, and this is where the application for us going forward is going to be. If you have a guess or an estimate based on some sort of evidence about what will happen in the future, you can also use going to future to express a prediction or something along those lines. It's 7 p.m. and the sun is going down. It's going to get dark soon. You predict that it's going to get dark soon, and you predict this because you know that it's going to get dark soon. It always gets dark soon around this time in this season. So it's something you have some evidence around, so you can base this opinion on some evidence. And this is the main application going forward for us in this lesson. We'll be looking at some weather forecasts in which the going to future is extremely useful. Another video after this will be linked where you will go through the going to future and its applications for predictions. So I recommend you go and watch this video after this.